Well, hello.
Hello from Legoland, Florida.
Yeah. We're over here, but they're still doing their awesome days of summer. And they're still celebrating their birthday, so we're gonna see what they have to offer for their birthday.
Yes, and you know us, we're just here to do what we can.
Yeah. Also, they have this like Ninjago like show that we missed last time we were here.
Oh yeah, we talked about that. Maybe we'll be able to see that. If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome. Thank you for clicking on that link.
Yes.
Thanks for checking us out. We are over 600 subscribers thanks to you guys, our fan bam. We're so thankful for you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're trying to get to 1,000.
Yes.
As Brian was saying, I'll let him finish.
No, if you are new, we are still trying to get to that 1,000 mark. If you are new, an oldie but a goodie, thank you for stopping by and hanging out with us. We are trying to get to 1,000 just so we can go live for you, because that's one of the things that YouTube requires in order to go live. You have to have 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, and we want to get to know you guys, just like you're getting to know us, because you like to watch all of our videos the whole way through.
Yes. Yes. So we're super excited. We really hope you guys enjoy this video. It is like 97 degrees. It is. We know we don't say the date. We never don't say the date, but it's August 20th.
It's on a Saturday.
It is on a Saturday, and it's not that crowded so far. So
far. I don't know why you did that.
But the entrance is right around the corner.
Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified every time we post a video, or if you just want to know about it sometimes.
Yeah.
Comment
and like this video and share with your family and friends. And we really do hope you guys enjoy this video. So we just finished up our intro, and we kind of just realized that the 10th birthday celebration, if it keeps getting blurry, this is what this is supposed to look like eventually. So they have a long way to go, but you know what? It's their 10th year anniversary. Let's just celebrate.
Happy birthday from me.
Good job, Amber.
I knew all the words.
Okay. It's kind of like, how do you say you worked at Golden Corral without saying you went to Golden Corral?
Happy birthday from you to me. And here's your ice cream that I made for you.
Good job, Amber. Appreciate it. So we've been getting a lot of comments about what's open. So we'll try to make an effort to make sure you see what is open. Right now, it looks like Pepper and Roni's Pizza Stop is open. You hear the chef talking about, get your pizza here. And another request on what rides are open. It looks like the Great Lego Race is still down. It was down last time we came through. It is down now. So just keep that in mind when you do come. It is an awesome ride. And here are the show times.
What did you say about this ride that we just went on, Brian?
It was faster than normal, but we also just ate. I have to get down a hurdle. No, we just ate. So, again, learn from us. Don't go on that.
It was fun.
Just eat. Yeah,
we
it was
were
fun.
squealing like little girls.
The worst part
as
is like
usual.
So way up on the top, when you get close and you're facing it, it feels like you're about to fall off.
What were you doing though?
I was sitting like, yeah.
No, you weren't. You're like, eek!
I don't recall.
Of course.
There was somebody next to me that was doing that. So over here by the theater, and it looks like pizza and pasta is not open at the moment. So something that we reported on last year or earlier this year, they were bringing in some shade. Well, they finally started working on it. It looks exciting.
And massive.
And massive, yeah. Oh my goodness. But look, if you look down below, all the places that used to have water, it has now been drained. So,
Brian, can you find the space shuttle?
can we find the space shuttle? I think it's over there by Daytona. And there it is.
Can you find the Luxor Pyramid?
Yes, it's in the same shot.
Can you find the Golden Gate Bridge?
Yeah, that one is over here. But I am actually more excited about the shade. I wish.
Find the Statue of Liberty?
Yeah, it's over there. Over there in New York.
Think about that.
But I am more excited about the shade coming because this spot right here gets really unbearably hot.
As it is now.
Yeah, we're in the shade. So we're moseying around. That's a good update. I know we don't normally do a lot of construction updates, but this is a really good update for a future to come. Over here in Lego City, we have taco everyday restaurants, quick service type restaurant that is open. Oh, this is so cool. We're in Emmett's home. All his posters, all that fun stuff. We get to meet Lucy. I'm so excited because everything is awesome. Oh, I'm sorry. I totally forgot. You're awesome.
Everything is
Just keep singing. Let's go.
I don't know the rest.
Oh.
Probably play again. It plays twice every 30 minutes, so 2 different versions.
So what do I gotta do to be a master builder?
Just thinking. You have to build like
Build real
crazy.
fast.
Ah, you have to build really fast.
Super duper
Well then,
fast.
I need to get young again because I don't think I can do it.
We're too old for it.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye, friends. Have a nice day.
Bye. So, we never knew this existed until now. And it's Emmett's Super Suite over here in Lego City. Right across the way from over here is where you can meet Emmett and Lucy for now. That's so cool. That's awesome. That made my day.
Everything is awesome.
Come on, Legoland, let's go. Yes, ma'am. Did you know you were going to be in a parade today? You are the parade. You guys having a fantastic day today? Ooh, look at her. I know you are. She's breaking through. Come on. Yes. Woo. She's here for a good time.
We totally got her.
Look it.
We got him below? Oh my goodness.
Because I did it.
You
have
danced it.
fun. He's like, here. I'm like, yes.
Walking through the castle, we have Dragon's Den that is open. And we have $7.50 for a king dog, knight's dog is $7.50. So they're not cheap, but you know, it's a good place to stop for a nice little bite to eat.
Hey, look what I realized. Model citizen name, birthday surprise squad. That's me.
Your birthday surprise side?
Squad.
Squad.
What am I gonna use it for? Apple fries.
So, one of the tricks that Amber learned is just play along.
Have fun. Like, you just be goofy and stupid too. Why not? And you're just like, woo, and you enjoy with him, and he's like, here you go. And I was like,
So the last time we came through here, Kingdom Cones was not open. It is the same thing for today. This is the second ice cream parlor that we've ran across that is closed. And it's 100 degrees.
Brian, what do you say every time we pass by this?
How Stark. And look, oh my god, look, all right. So we have Rob Stark, we have Ira Stark.
No.
And what?
No. That's Jacob from Twilight.
So right over here by the Coastosaurus, they have the Ultimate Sandwich Builder food truck. I can't even get it out, food truck. We ate here before. It's not horrible. It's pretty good. But just so you have an idea of what is open. So this is the show that we wanted to come see, and there's no shows today. I don't know if there's because it's too hot or what the case is, but there's no shows. It's okay. On to the next. All right, over here by the Ford driving school, we had the drive-in diner that's open, and we have the Firehouse ice cream that is open as well. So these two sites are open for your enjoyment. This is as of today. That might change again based on availability and crowd control and all that kind of stuff. And behind these trees we have Lego City Burger Kitchen. We get hamburgers, cheeseburgers, I think a chicken sandwich as well. That is open down this way by Technic. There isn't a place except for like funnel cakes to eat, and sometimes that's open, sometimes that's not. But other than that, guys, this is all the food places that are open as of right now. So we're in the big shop now, and we just turned around and they have Halloween stuff. Look at this. Some of this was the same from last year, but some was different. It's pretty cool. Yeah, 96 degrees. 97, I stand corrected. Not a lot of people and not a lot of rides. All the rides were operational towards the end. The show that we wanted to see was closed.
There's no shows today.
Yeah.
But there's a thunderstorm coming in, so maybe that's the reason. So bring a lot of water, drink a lot of water. We drank a couple bottles already, and we were only there for
about an hour and a half.
Yeah. So
yeah.
Stay hydrated.
Yes, definitely.
Bring sunscreen.
Yes. Other than that, it was actually pretty enjoyable. We hope that seeing what's available as far as food options are.
As of late August.
Yeah. But again, they like Disney and Universal, they open up certain restaurants for people control. So it's just, I don't know.
Masks are, they're not required indoors.
But they're highly recommended.
Yes.
So other than that, guys, if you made this far, thank you so much for stopping by, checking out our channel, checking out our video. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification.
Comment.
And like the video.
Yeah, and start a discussion with your fan bam. We like seeing those comments. We try to reply to them as much as we can. If we don't get to you, we are sorry.
Yes. Yep. But other than that, guys, we will definitely see you. Oh.
Follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
Yeah. Totally forgot.
I was like, wait.
Yeah. We are very active on Instagram. We are dabbling, starting to get into TikTok.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. And then we also obviously have YouTube. We don't really do Twitter or Facebook that much. But we do have it on our phone, so if you ever stop by, say hi.
Or email us. You can email us on anything. If we ask you to, that would be great. There's some videos that we have that are posted, like that ghost story that we said. If you see any evidence or catch any evidence, send it our way.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll share it.
Yeah. Well, guys, again, thank you for stopping by, and we hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.